Coffee for puffy eyes. There is a simple eye serum that can help you get rid of puffy eyes. It contains coffee and some other ingredients. Here is how to make it. Eye serum recipe for puffy eyes. Take 2 ounces jar and put 2 teaspoons of ground coffee in it, and fill the rest with almond oil. Stir the ingredients well, and keep the jar in a cool and dry place for 3 days, to let the coffee infuse. After that, strain it using cheesecloth, to get the coffee-infused oil, and stir in 4 drops of vanilla oil. With the help of a pipette, transfer the infused oil into a 10 ml roller bottle, while storing the rest in the jar. To use, simply roll once under each eye, before bed, and in the morning. The leftover coffee grounds can be used as a body scrub. If you don't have vanilla oil, use geranium oil instead. The benefits of the ingredients. Coffee contains caffeine. The latter helps reduce the eye puffiness by stimulating circulation, plumping the skin, and reducing the fluid retention. Vanilla oil gives the eye serum a delicious smell, moisturizes the skin, and prevents the premature wrinkles by fighting off free radicals. Almond oil is very helpful for dark circles under eyes. It is very moisturizing and rejuvenating, and has light consistency. How to prevent puffy eyes. Don't drink too much liquid before going to bed. Create a peaceful atmosphere in your bedroom to get a sound and restful sleep. Do some physical exercises regularly. It will help to relieve tension in the muscles. Choose healthy foods. What you eat affects everything in your body, including skin and sleep. Try going to bed before 10-11 p.m. Staying up late is very bad for your skin. It may get wrinkles earlier.